What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I have this beautiful 2019 Audi S5 Sportback, and in this video I just want to kind of give a quick walk around, quick tour, talk about the engine, and in the next video we'll go ahead and actually take it on a test drive. This is an absolutely beautiful car and something that I would highly consider trading my 340i in, so this will be a great kind of comparison experience between this and my car. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get on started. So like I said, this is a 2019 S5 Prestige Sportback. The exterior color, I believe, is a glacier white. I'm not sure if that's the exact name, but I'm pretty sure that's what Audi calls it. Right up front, because this is the S5, you can see you have the more aggressive front bumper, and the grille there looks really good. You have the full LED headlights with LED turn signals as well. This color is absolutely beautiful and it suits this car perfectly. Coming to the wheels here, I believe these are the 19-inch rotor style wheels, is what Audi refers to them as. And you have the 6-piston S5 brakes in the front. Those things are monsters. You have the S5 logo right there on the side. You have the gloss black mirrors here, and I believe this is part of some sort of black optics package where they black out the side panel trim as well. In the rear, you have the same 19-inch rotor wheels. And because this is the Sportback, you can see it has the very nice sloping style roof here. Looks really good. In the rear here, you can see S5 badging, the quad exhaust pipes, and the really cool sequential LED turn signals there. If we go ahead and open up the rear, it's a Sportback, so it's the hatchback, and you have tons of space back here. These seats also fold down. I'll go ahead and show that when we get to the back seat, but yeah, absolutely cavernous back here. And to close it, obviously, just press the button. So in the back seat, looks very nice. Nice materials on the door. You have the carbon fiber inlays there, the Alcantara suede, and the stitched armrest. You also have the diamond quilted leather on the rear seats as well. If we take a step in, it's a little tight back here, I'm not gonna lie. Legroom's actually pretty good, but headroom, because of the sloping roof, is very kind of minimal. And but you do have some air vents here. This is to adjust the temperature, and some charging ports as well. And like I said, to fold the seats, there's a latch right here. You just pull that and they will fold flat. But yeah, you can really expand the cargo space of this car and make it very practical. Passenger side here, very nice. Same materials on the door, nice stitching, suede, Alcantara, carbon fiber. These seats also have a massaging function as well, which is what you control with that dial. Full power, obviously, for the passenger as well. So we'll go ahead and pop the hood, obviously, because it's an S5. Got to talk about the engine. Go ahead and close the door. So this is the 3-liter single turbo V6. Has around 354 horsepower. It's connected to the 8-speed torque converter automatic. 0 to 60 in like 4.5 seconds. Obviously, Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. Which engine do you guys think is better, this 3-liter or the B58 in my 340i? As you can see, way back there, it's a huge downpipe for the single turbo. This is the ECU. A lot of people like to replace the air filters on these as well to get a bit more induction noise. Obviously, compared to my old S4, which you've probably seen on the channel, this is now turbocharged instead of supercharged. It makes a bit more power. We'll go ahead and talk about the throttle response and stuff like that in the next video for the driving portion. But I will say that this thing is really quick. It does feel pretty, maybe a little bit faster than my S4, but not by much. But I know they just started to crack into the ECU there for tuning, so the tuning potential of this thing is going to be absolutely insane once they develop the platform a bit more. So we'll go ahead and take a step in the driver's seat now. Right off the bat, you can see Audi's virtual cockpit. the 8-inch display there, I believe, the climate control, stuff like that. We'll go ahead and start it up. So like any push button, just put your foot on the brake and hit this button. We'll go ahead and put it in dynamic mode and give it a few revs. Let's go ahead and go to the outside for the exhaust clip. So looking across the interior here, you can see Audi's very nice flat bottom steering wheel, feels great. You have the 8-inch display for the navigation. These are the climate controls. This is pretty similar to the 2022 A4 that I just showed on my channel. But since this is the S5, you have a couple more sporty design elements like the carbon fiber. Down here in the gear shifter, you have the S logo as well. If we put the vehicle in reverse, you can see full 360-degree cameras, and you can go ahead and change the various angles that you'd like to see as well. Very cool. And this is Audi's virtual cockpit for the driver in front of you here, so you can use this little switch here to go through various menus and use this view button to expand the respective menu that you're on. You can also have a full navigation display right there that looks really cool, or you can have it in the side if you press the view button again. This is for the various menus. As you can see, I'm zooming in and out of the navigation. This is the Audi Drive Select right here, so you can go through the various sport mode, comfort, auto, dynamic, very similar to my old B8 S4. You can hear the exhaust got a lot louder and dynamic. And with the Prestige, you also get the full heads-up display that you can control with a dial on the left here. I'm turning it on and off. You can kind of adjust the height of it and that sort of thing, the brightness. Up top, you have the controls for the full power sunroof there. You have the garage home light, and this is for your illumination as well, full LED. I know I mentioned already, but these seats are absolutely amazing. They're very comfortable. They look great. They have massaging as well. And the diamond quilted leather for the Prestige looks very good. I will say, compared to my 340i, this interior is a lot better in my opinion. I've always kind of preferred Audi's interiors to BMW's. Just everything feels so nice in here. The carbon fiber and the various kind of leather surfaces and stuff like that. In my opinion, this is a much better interior than the F30. Granted, this is a generation newer than the F30, but still, this is a very, very nice place to be. But we'll go ahead and shut the car off here and conclude the tour. Well, that concludes the tour of this beautiful 2019 Audi S5 Sportback Prestige. Once again, huge thank you to Ted, Britt, Ford Fairfax for allowing me the opportunity to come check out this car. If you need any Ford inventory or want to check out some really cool used inventory as well, such as this S5, please be sure to hit them up. I'll go ahead and leave their contact information in the description below. Please be sure to stay tuned for the test drive portion for the next video coming soon. But I want to thank you guys again so much for watching. And please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.